Hey y'all, so we're just gonna do a quick run through, make sure everything is pretty well standing. We had the big wind storm a few days ago and it finished knocking the frost fabric down. My trampoline flew away. Luckily it got caught on our fence, or who knows how far it would have got. These look okay. So let's go check the others. He's ready to start waking up too. Looks good. Yeah, looks pretty good. He looks like he's ready to start waking up here soon too. Nice. Looks like everything did pretty okay in the windstorm of 2024.